Hello and welcome to the Spoon Harbor channel, Cottage Cheese Charlotte. I've been making this pie for 12 years, and nothing compares to this recipe. The combination of cottage cheese, sweet apples, and butter, it is simply incredible, an absolutely perfect match. So here is what you will need for this cottage cheese Charlotte. Cottage cheese 9%, 360 grams, sugar 60 grams, melted butter 82%, 150 grams, vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon, that is 2.5 grams, or half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, baking soda, half a teaspoon, white wine vinegar 5%, half a tablespoon, that is 5 milliliters, flour, 100 grams, salt, 1 gram, sweet apples, 2 large ones, eggs, 4 large. Transfer the cottage cheese into a bowl and mash it well with a fork. Add half a gram of salt. The remaining half gram we will add to the eggs later. Add 30 grams of sugar from the total amount of sugar. Add the melted butter to the mixture. Stir until smooth and well combined. Now add the vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon, that is 2.5 grams. Or you can substitute with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let us prepare the apples. Be sure to peel off the skin. Remove the cores. Cut the apples into slices, then into small triangles. They should look like this. Crack 4 eggs into the mixer bowl. Be sure to add the remaining salt to the eggs. This helps them whip up better. Add the remaining 30 grams of sugar to the eggs. Whisk the eggs with sugar, starting on medium speed, then increasing to high, until you get a light and airy mixture with no stiff peaks. This is the consistency we need, not dense, but light and airy. Add the entire cottage cheese mixture to the egg mixture at once. Mix with confident, quick motions. Add vinegar to the baking soda. The reaction starts right away. Immediately fold the mixture into the batter. Mix quickly. Add the flour. Make sure to sift it. Do not be afraid to mix with confident motions. No need to go super slow. Our air is not going anywhere. The pie will be light and tender. Once the batter is smooth, add the prepared apples and mix. Grease the baking dish with softened butter. Pour the batter into the dish. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Place the batter in the oven, bottom and top heat without convection, at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes, until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Important, trust your own oven. You might need a lower temperature and a longer time. Cook with love and remember, you have got this. It will turn out perfectly.